Hi there, this is Cara with ByteStand. In this video, we will go over a basic Flex setup and create your live Amazon shipping rates. This is a two-step process which is completed within the app and inside of Shopify. Let's get started with the Flex button. Flex gives a store the ability to assign multiple locations to products in Shopify. No matter what, you must set up this page, as Flex helps all stores, and specifically stores that ship some products through Amazon and some products through a 3PL or manually themselves, stores that participate in the Amazon MCF program in multiple countries and wish to track location-specific inventory levels per product, stores that want to sell pre-order items and wait to send the fulfillment request to Amazon, stores that participate in Amazon's Buy with Prime integration, and stores that want to turn on automatic fulfillment for Amazon products only, or even stores that use Amazon's MCF program in some countries but not all. Those are some of the main options. So after hearing all of the ways this exciting feature helps your business, let's discuss the page navigation and basic setup. You've got the app menu to your right, and when you hover over the purple bar, it will expand. At the top, you can press this button to update your products from Shopify to the app. Utilize this button when you add new products to Shopify, change SKUs, or edit product titles. You cannot edit product data inside of the app. Saying that, the app will pull your product's information from the store's Shopify product page. Notice the columns labeled Title, SKU, Handle Fulfillment, and Automatic Fulfillment. We will go over each of these shortly. You can make mass selections and edits to products by using the Edit Selected SKUs or Advanced Search and Edit buttons. And if you scroll to the bottom of the page, notice the product count, page navigation buttons, and how to expand the amount of products per page. Moving right along, let's learn about the Handle Fulfillment column. All stores will need to assign a Amazon Marketplace or marketplaces to your products in this column. Yes, multiple marketplaces can now be selected for one product. This provided information is what tells ByteStand and Shopify who is essentially in charge of the products. For example, if ByteStand is supposed to send the product to Amazon for fulfillment in your orders, then you will want to select your Amazon Marketplace for that product. And if you have products that the MCF shipping app should not send to Amazon, then you need to leave this column blank. Don't forget to press Save before you navigate away from this page. Yes, even if our app and Amazon manages all of your Shopify products, you will need to set this page up. See how I select all of my products, select my Amazon Marketplace, and turn on automatic fulfillment for all of them? For a simple store setup like this example, that is all there is to the Flex page. If you have a more complex setup and you need to get creative with Flex, please see our YouTube playlist for Flex. You can find the link in the description of this video. But before we move further in the app setup, let's check one setting inside of your Shopify settings. To prevent future issues, the store will need to turn off the Shopify automatic fulfillment settings. In Shopify, please navigate to your settings, checkout, and order processing. Select Do Not Fulfill any of the order's line items automatically and press Save, as the app will now control which products are automatically fulfilled, if not all of them. This means any products that you allow us to manage and you've checked automatic fulfillment on in the app, those orders will be automatically set to in progress in Shopify, while all other items in the order that the app is not managing will sit in an unfulfilled status in the order. If this setting is kept on in Shopify, it will cause order issues in the future. Okay, now that Flex is set up correctly and the automatic fulfillment in your Shopify settings has been disabled, let's start creating your shipping rates. Since the store has chosen the live Amazon rate option in the ByteStand app, we will set up the rate card options in the app first. Go ahead and click on Rates, and to build your first rate option, click Add New Rate. In most marketplaces or countries, Amazon will allow you to offer up to 3 different types of shipping rates. Those are standard, priority, and expedited. In the UK, though, for example, you will only have the options of standard and expedited. In the example of this video, I am working in the US, and I will create 3 different rate options, one at a time. Notice how I select the marketplace and the type of rate on the rate card. The next section allows you to name your shipping rate options. This is the rate name the customers will see at checkout. Keep in mind that you can always adjust these rate names in the future. The Map to Amazon Rate section allows you to translate the words that the customer sees at checkout to one of the words that Amazon understands. And remember, Amazon only understands the words standard, priority, or expedited. So, as an example, the customers will see this at checkout, but in the back end, Amazon will receive the order with a delivery method of standard. And now I will create 2 additional rate cards for the expedited option and my priority option, making sure to press save at the end of each card. Take a moment to look at the additional features at the bottom of each of the rate cards. You can utilize these features to customize each card. You can use this to add or subtract a dollar or percentage amount from the live Amazon rates, or set a fixed shipping cost for an option, and even offer free shipping or free shipping over a specific order amount. Just remember to press save after each adjustment. Awesome! Step 1 is now complete. We will exit out of the app and focus on our product adjustments at this time. During this next step, in Shopify, click on Products. You can look at your products one at a time, like this, or use Shopify's Bulk Editor. Watch as I navigate to Shopify's Bulk Product Editor. I use this page to look at the product's SKUs in bulk. It is important that the product's Shopify SKUs match their SKUs from Amazon Seller Central. ByteStand cannot use a product's FN SKU, ASIN, ISBN, or anything else. If the SKUs do not match in Shopify, the store will need to grab the correct SKUs from Amazon and paste them to the correct product listings in Shopify and press save. Now, leaving the bulk editor behind, let's look at the products one by one. This is what a Shopify product listing will look like when ByteStand is the only location assigned to it. And this is what a product listing will look like if the store has a more complex setup, meaning that ByteStand and other locations are assigned to the product listing. You can add or edit locations to products in here. Once you've confirmed that your product SKUs match from Amazon to Shopify and that ByteStand is at least one of your product's inventory locations in Shopify, then you are finished with the product setup. Lastly, let's navigate inside of Shopify to your shipping profile. Click on Settings in the lower left-hand corner and then click on Shipping and Delivery. All stores have a general shipping profile, and usually all of the store's products are naturally added to the general shipping profile. You will click here to open this up. Scroll down to Shipping Origins and look for the location or locations of ByteStand. If a ByteStand location is not in this area, you must add it. Scroll to the bottom of the page and look for Not Shipping From. More than likely, this is where you will find your new ByteStand location or locations. Click Add Rates and keep the selection as is and press Done. Scroll to the top and now your new ByteStand location or locations will be in the Shipping Origins. Here you will ensure you have set up your shipping zone for the country or countries you've previously connected in the app, also called marketplaces. And then it's time to add a rate. So if any manual fixed rates exist in this section, go ahead and delete them, as you do not want them interfering with the live Amazon rates provided through the ByteStand app. If you have any other calculated rate options in this section, go ahead and remove those as well. After verifying there are no generic rates in this section, click Add Rate and then select Use Carrier or App to Calculate Rates and select the FBA Shipping app by ByteStand as the option. Press Done, and then your shipping profile should look like this. Let's press Save, and now you have completed the shipping rate and product setup inside of the MCF Shipping app and inside of Shopify. To test this setup out, go to the front end of your website, place a product in your cart, and proceed to checkout. Enter in a real shipping address, and then press Continue to Shipping. This will ensure you are receiving shipping rates at checkout. Notice how it only takes a few seconds for your shipping rate options to appear with real calculated shipping costs and estimated time frames. Pretty cool. And just like that, you are ready to receive orders and send them for fulfillment to Amazon using the ByteStand MCF Shipping app. Happy shipping!